It would be nice to have a way to delete save files directly in the editor, instead of doing it manually through the file explorer. For this we can use another part of Unreal Engine framework called the cheat manager. The cheat manager allows us to expose functions to the console, so we can call them during playtesting. Before we can do it, let's add the delete save file function to our asteroid game instance. This is a simple function and I just check does save file exist, and if this file exists, I call delete game in slot. That's all. Now we can take a look at Asteroid Cheat Manager. This is a simple class that inherits from Cheat Manager, and inside this class I have one function called delete save file, and this function is marked with uProperty and exec specifier. This basically means that this function can be executed from the game console, as you can see in this description. And inside CPP file, this function simply gets our game instance and call the delete save file that inside game instance. For this to work, Unreal Engine needs to somehow create our asteroid cheat manager. This is usually done by providing a cheat manager class inside player controller. So here I have another class that inherits from player controller, and inside this class I have a constructor. Inside this constructor I simply set asteroid cheat manager class to the cheat class variable. Finally, we can create a blueprint for our player controller and use it inside our game mode. So click blueprint class and type asteroid player controller and call it bp underscore player controller. Now we need to open game modes and our bp underscore game mode, and here you will see player controller class. Here you should select bp player controller and press compile. Now let's try to call this function, but first before we can do it, let's check that we have a valid save file. So save games, yes, here I have asteroid save slot. Now when we open console, I can type delete save file, and when I call this function, this file should be removed. Yeah, and as you can see, we no longer have save file, and that's how you can use cheats in your game.